one. Whoa. Whoa. Hey everybody, it's Jamie here. Welcome back to my channel, Reviews by Jamie. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sephora Play Box. This is the first time I've ever gotten this. When I took a little YouTube break, I feel like it wasn't out yet, and then I came back and I was like, what is this box? Oh, cute. Okay, so 2018, Happy New Year, and this bag is adorable. So it feels like small. I hope there's a lot in here. All right, let's go ahead. And I don't know if it always comes in bags like this. No idea. So first thing. Ooh. Okay, so this is new Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. And it's a little sample-y kind of bottle. So this was made to replenish moisture and prep skin for makeup in step 1. Well, next we have another tiny thing. This is Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. It's cute. I used to work at Clinique a few years back, so it's pretty cool to get stuff from them that I haven't seen, you know, since I worked there. This wasn't out, but it's a little thing of it. Feels really good. All right, so that's nice. Tiny. I knew this was tiny bag. Okay, next. Glam Glow Super Cleanse. Whoa. This is a clearing cream to foam cleanser. That sounds nice. I think it'll be good. The fun thing about this bag is that it's like cool Sephora products, and everybody loves Sephora. I'm shopping there. So let's see what this is. Fresh Rose Floral Toner. This is exciting. I wanted to try like a rose toner. I've seen other companies have this kind of thing, and I've always liked the smell of roses and florals and stuff. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Hydrates and refreshes. I really like this, actually. I think I'm gonna like it. All right, I need to smell it. It's exactly the smell I want it to be. I love that rose smell. A while ago, there was a place that served rose ice cream, and it was actually made from roses, and I loved it so much. Okay, next we have Lancome. Nice. These are all fun brands. So this is, I remember this because when I worked at Clinique, I would float around to Lancome, and I remember this. This is like a mascara base. So let's see, I think it's white. Yes, it is. So that's kind of a nice thing. I could see myself using that. Next is Caviar Anti-Aging Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is for intense hydration, which is definitely up my alley. Fun. Really? Really? Okay. It had to be this big, I guess. Happy New Year! Woohoo! This was a really interesting bag thing. I've never gotten this before, and I haven't watched any unboxings, so I don't really know what it's usually like, but I find it interesting that it's like really little samples. Like, some of these are pretty small, and I feel like if you go to the counter you could get these. I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Do you think it's like a nice value? I can't tell. I think it was, I'm pretty sure this was a $10 bag, thank goodness. And it's cute and I like it. I like all the stuff. I just, you know, is it worth the money? I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to see what the other months are like, but so far I do like it. I do like everything in it. I'm just, you know, I don't like paying for samples that counters give out anyway. This is like a nice business for them. They can be like, oh, we'll just give extra samples that we're not using to these people who are paying money. Like this, I thought this was a nice size. It was a little bigger. It wasn't like teeny tiny. That's like a nice sample size. They wouldn't give you this. But yeah, interesting. I'm gonna have to see how this goes. And then does everybody get the same one? I don't know. This is all new to me. I'm going to continue it for next month and see how it goes. Let me know if you want me to do more unboxings from Sephora play, and I probably will anyway just because I'm so curious about it. But also follow me on JamieCheryl_ on Instagram, and my Facebook page is Reviews by Jamie, and I have a blog, jamiecheryl.com. So I'll see you guys there. We can interact. Bye!